Okay, I just want to show you guys something new. I just noticed those lights right here. You know, right now everything's down, right? But those lights are lit up all the way to the top, to the red part. And you know, it's like if there's something's going on, but something is going on. Is that noise? This noise right here. Now notice when I turn it up, you know, I'm gonna turn it down, turn it up. Over here, that goes up. Turn it down. The main, I guess the mixing part, the output, the levels for the output. And I go up. You know, it's on low. So imagine it's on loud. You're playing your music, and all of a sudden this comes up right here. But yeah, I just want you guys to see those lights are lit up and stuff, and it's down. When I turn it up, it comes up over here now in the output. So it's definitely something in, I don't know, but this is what's going on. Those lights are up. And that because also the lights are up because this is going. So now if I turn it off, let's see, if I turn it off, okay, that one is off right there, so that's off. So of course the noise, that light's gonna disappear. And now I turn the other one off. Okay, that's off. Now that disappeared. You know? But when I turn it back on, turn back on, that comes back on, I just turned it off. And so that's the latest of what's been going on. Trying to find out what's that noise, why that noise keep happening.